That's very nice and juicy strawberry, and it's red color, super red and big. And actually these seeds here from strawberry, you can plant that as well. See guys, they are really huge strawberries, yummy. I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna try to bite them, share to you. Yummy strawberries. Wow. Juicy and sweet. It's yummy. Two, four, six of them. It's strawberries. It's a season here in Australia. That is why you can't plant this as well. It's winter time, so they like to grow in the cold weather. I think it's a strawberry that you can plant them in whole year round as well. I'm not sure. I'm really interested to plant them too. Cheers. Very nice fruits.